So just quickly, I had some questions about how I made this mount for the microphone. So I'm just going to show you real quick. So we're just going to clip that. We'll unclip that. So basically, I don't know if I can untwist it. Yeah, I can untwist it. So what it was is it's just a GoPro tripod sort of mount. With the usual, I think it's 3/8. I'm not too sure. I can't remember what the universal size is for the tripod sort of thing. But basically, it's just a base like that. And then I took say the old cheap eBay mount, and then I'll just see if I can loosen that off. Just remove the microphone. So basically, I just took that. I've glued all this together now. But basically I just popped this top cap off, drilled through the middle of the actual bit that has the 3 legs on, and then I just put the 3/8 or 1/4 inch, whatever the hell it was, I can't remember now. Yeah, I basically just screwed that into the middle nice and tight, so I drilled the hole just slightly too small, and then just screwed it in, and then super glued it so it wasn't going to go anywhere, and then popped the top back on, and also super glued that on, and then this cold shoe mount, or whatever they're called, basically just kept that. I mean, it doesn't fit all the way because it's not the best top mount to go with this, and then literally that just slides in. I just push it on as far as I can. It doesn't go all the way, and then you just tighten it with the road tightener, and then it just screws back into the base. So yeah, I mean, it didn't cost me a lot to make. It's not hard to make. All you need is a drill bit and some super glue and the appropriate parts, and then you can just tighten that onto there, and then you can still move it around because I haven't glued the dead top bit. I've left it so that it's, I can move it to where I want it, and it makes life really easy. So yeah, that's how I made that little mount.